Hi guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. I'm a digital marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get higher quality leads when you're doing your lead generation, Facebook and Instagram ads. Guys, when it comes to quality in terms of lead generation, that is a problem. That's a problem, right? Because obviously you get a lot of people's information, but they may not convert later or be interested in converting later. So I'm going to show you a way how to get better quality leads coming through to your business in this video. And guys, I'm going to show you step by step how to do it in this video. But as you know, I don't waste no time. Let's get into the video. Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get better quality of leads coming through and also how to get more leads coming through using Facebook ads. Facebook ads have come out with a new setting that enables us to do it. For those of you who may not have this new setting in your ad account, don't worry, Facebook is still rolling this out. And so I just want you to make sure that you're always checking your ad account every now and then to make sure that that setting is there. As soon as you see it, guys, definitely use it. Definitely use it, because what I've seen is by using it, the results are a lot better and the quality of leads is a lot better. Because for the longest time, quality of leads has been an issue. It has definitely been an issue. Quality of leads is always an issue anyway. But Facebook's algorithm is so good that this setting is definitely going to make things a lot easier, especially those of you who are doing lead generation for your businesses. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So as you can see here, we're in the trusted Facebook ads manager, right? So all we want to do, want to click here, click create, then you want to select leads right here. And then once you select leads, you just click continue. Now we are at the campaign level, right? So, and here we can turn this on. I'm not going to go too deep into the budget if we're doing advantage campaign budget, but I just want to get to the ad set level so I can show you this specific setting to get better quality leads. So let's do 20 a day, and then we'll click next. So guys, now we are at the ad set level. And as you can see here in the conversion section, you've got website, you've got instant forms, you've got messenger, you've got instant forms and messenger, you've got calls, you've got apps and all that good stuff. But then when you scroll down a little bit more, you'll see this, set a performance goal. And you can see that it says here, when generating leads with your ads, you can also set a performance goal. Your performance goal, formerly called optimization for ad delivery, helps us understand how to measure success for your ads. So if you're trying to get more leads, you just select maximize number of leads. If you want to get a higher quality of leads, like a better quality of leads, and these are people, they give you their information in the hopes of being converted later down the line, then you just click right here and you choose maximize number of conversion leads. And as you can see here, it says we'll try to show your ads to people most likely to convert after sharing their contact information with you. So the leads that you're going to be getting, they'll be higher quality because they know that later down the road they're going to get a call or an email from you. There's some sort of expectation that they're going to be converted to actually buying your product or service. Whereas that's different to maximize number of leads, which is we'll try to show your ads to people most likely to share their contact information with you. That's it. There's no hopes of them converting to buy your products or sign up to your product or service later down the road. It's just to get the information. So if you're more concerned about the quality of your leads, then you want to select here. But But bear in mind that if with higher quality, that means not as many leads. So it's a trade-off. Whereas if you want way more leads, you just want leads coming in, then you can select this right here, maximize number of leads. And don't get me wrong, even when you choose this one, I'm not saying that there ain't going to be people in here that aren't going to be converted later. Like those people are in here. They are. It's just that you're going to have to get through quite a bit of leads to get to the good quality ones. Whereas with this one, off the bat, you're gonna get more higher quality, but also bear in mind in terms of cost as well. So this basically works very similar to the sell objection, where you're trying to get sales, where you choose purchase, right? Like if you optimize for purchase, yeah, the cost is going to be a little bit higher, but at least it's a higher quality of traffic. Whereas if you choose a traffic objective, yeah, you're going to get loads of people coming to your website, but very few of them are going to convert because it's a lower quality of traffic coming in. This is exactly the same way. You can only choose one or the other, right? Depending on your objectives for your marketing campaigns. Number of leads, are you more concerned with that or the quality? Yeah. And guys, you go down, once you've selected it, obviously you go through view terms, you accept the terms if you need to, come down here, select your audience, the gender, the age, all that good stuff, right? All that good stuff. Advantage plus, whichever placements you want, then click next, and you're going to be thrown into the ad level where you create the ad or your form or what have you. Yeah. So guys, this is key. This is key. This section right here is key to getting better quality leads coming through into your business. So guys, if that helps you and you want to learn more about Facebook ads, TikTok ads, click the links in my description. And as usual, I'll be coming back with more marketing tips and tricks to help you guys in your businesses. Take care, guys.